Hey everybody, it's Steffi here. I know I've been saying that a lot lately, but there's nothing else that comes to my mind. But anyways, I am in my other room because I was gonna record, and the neighbor kids, you know how they are, outside playing, and they're like really close, well, like not that close to my window, but I can hear them screaming and playing and laughing, so I sort of switched rooms and now I'm recording in my living area. It's small. It's like apartment size. But I am here to discuss with you all. Should I do like a pet series? I'm pretty much hoping for a pet series, but right now I'm just trying to get the snacks. And hopefully when I'm done I can start doing that. And one other thing though, I am gonna leave somebody else's channel name down below. I don't know if all of you are like interested in the music as I am, but I'm gonna leave his channel link down below and you all can go check him out. He has like 8 million subscribers. Okay, is that it? No, none of them need my aid. But I have done farming, but I did lose connection, so that was a pretty much bummer. So I have all these baby pets that I can start training. I don't need my map. So can start doing that and then see where that goes. Yeah, for some reason though I couldn't record yesterday because of maintenance, and so I definitely apologize for that. I will try and record, but if I can't, I am saving up for a concert on September 17th. So I'm gonna go see them live in Tempe, Arizona, which I know where that's at. I already looked it up and everything. But I'm stuck. Kings, are you ever gonna fix the are you? I'm stuck. Eh. Okay, can I get out of here, please? No, I'm definitely stuck in my glitching on my hair. Here. Eh. Okay, why is it so loud? Oh. Now a little. So, yeah. I don't know why that happened. I don't know why, but it was like definitely stuck in my own little glitch there. I need, let's see here. What do I need? I need pet names. Here they are. Show. I think I cleared up almost everything. I think. I'm not 100% sure though. I'm not 100% sure yet if I'm gonna turn this house into a dungeon house like I have at my botanical gardens, but I do have one. I have an exalted rotobones there, and I have a pet. Why is it so light? Every single time when I come in this house, it's always so light. I don't want to like fly in everybody's eyes with this brightness, but it's sort of bad for me, but not too bad. I do like this bed for storm. I have a fire set too. I only bought one fire set because of my gold. But yeah, I definitely do have a fire pet on my other account, but it's a fire beetle that has double resist, make us unicorn, make us sprightly. I don't know if it has make us fair. I don't think so, but I need to look. Am I stuck again? No. Thought I was. I don't know. This game's pretty evil from time to time, being stuck on stuff. But anyways, I think I'm gonna end this YouTube video here. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe for more content. If I can get that content back in, I will. And I may or may not do a tournament, but I don't know. We will see, because I can buy, where is it? Pet snacks with arena tickets too. So I can do that also. But yeah. Thanks for watching. I know I said that like once now, but I'm saying it again. And I will try my best to record tomorrow. Yeah. See you later. Bye.